everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yesterday I did this really quick smoky brown eye, and I know I just posted a smoky brown eye tutorial on my channel, but this one is using palette 1, and since it's on sale I thought I'd show you a different way to achieve a similar look. So if you're interested in seeing how you achieve this, by the way, it's super quick, which is why I wanted to do it, because I only had like 30 minutes to film this. Please keep watching. And I was not planning on doing a full face of makeup. I was just planning to do like my brows, maybe grab a lip gloss, but I sat down and I have all the palettes out because it's part of this month's Kudos. And with this month's Kudos, you get your choice of Addiction palette, your choice of precision eyeliner, and your choice of mascara. So I kind of just opened palette 1 and I was just kind of gonna put a single shadow on, and then I started putting more on and then more on. But what surprised me and why I wanted to film this today was that it took so little time and it was so pretty. I used the Scotch tape technique, which I'm going to show you while I'm doing this. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to do a quick get ready with me because this look is very quick. I wanted to show you the spray foundation because it's back in stock today after a seriously long wait. And I just wanted to show you how I use it, how it covers. This stuff is amazing. And just wanted to show you this smoky brown eye look using palette 1. And yeah, so let's get started. We're going to start with the primers. This is the Glorious Face Primer, and I'm going to use it all over my face, followed by the eye primer, which is going to help the shadow stick and last all day long. Okay, I'm going to start with my face, and I'm using the color Velvet in the spray foundation, and I'm using this It Cosmetics Love as a foundation brush. We do have a kabuki brush, but my daughter stole it, and I'm still looking for it. But I like using a brush with this foundation, and you only need like 3 sprays for your face, and less is more. Okay, I just wanted to do half my face to show you the coverage. It really does a great job of covering that redness on my skin, evening out my skin tone, and it's super lightweight. This is a great foundation. Now I'm gonna do my brows with our Precision Brow Liner. We also have this Moodstruck Obsession brow palette, but I'm gonna use the liner today. I'm using the Skin Perfecting Concealer in Taffeta with a cream shadow brush to carve out the brows to get them more defined and clean. So what made this quick when I did it yesterday is that I used Scotch tape. And I take a piece of Scotch tape and I kind of like put it on the back of my hand and lift it up and down a few times to kind of take some of the stickiness out, but just enough to stick on your eyes. And I'm gonna put this on the edge of my eye. Stick that on there. I'm gonna do the same with the other side. And this allows me to be really carefree with how I'm applying the shadows. Usually I'm really careful to keep the transition color and the crease color like in this area, but I can just go over it with a brush and you'll see how easy it is. And I use it as a guide when I'm doing my liquid eyeliner, so when I peel it off, it's that perfect cat eye. I forgot how much this method makes it easy to do like a smoky eye, but I will show you. So using palette 1, I'm gonna go in with Chipper in the transition area, and I'm gonna use our blending brush. And I'm just gonna be really quick about it. I'm going over that tape and just applying this to the transition area. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the deluxe brush and I'm gonna go into the shimmery brown on the end called Zealous. And I'm gonna run this along the edge of my lash line, and then we're gonna blend it upwards. Just see how that tape just kind of like shields. I can just go over it. It's super easy. Do the same on the other eye. Okay, now I'm gonna I kind of look like a raccoon, but don't worry guys, I got you. So we're gonna go into Forthright. It's just like the matte color. We're gonna kind of darken up that outer crease area and just blending out that crease, and then also blending Zealous in there so we have no harsh lines. Everything's blended out beautifully. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other eye, just using circular motions and just blend, blend, blend. Ta-da! Okay, so now I am going to use our Dip and Draw eyeliner. This is also in the Kudos. So this is the color Perfect. I'm gonna shake it up and then apply the liner. And the tape makes it so easy. Let me see if I can get closer. The tape makes it so easy. I didn't put the tape like right at the edge. I kind of like brought it out a little bit because I wanted to act as a guide for my winged eyeliner. If you ever have trouble getting your winged liner even, or I usually freehand it, and when I am done, one is angled higher and one's lower. So this is a great method to just do a really precise winged liner very quickly. It works wonders. Okay, I'm going to use a Morphe 408 brush to go into the color Zealous, and I'm going to run that along my lower lash line. Okay, so now I'm going to take the tape off, and you're going to see how precise that line is. It is so crisp and clean. Ta-da! Okay, so now that the tape's off, I'm just gonna take my foundation brush with no additional product on it. I'm just gonna run it underneath just to clean it up a little bit. And then we're gonna do Perfect on our waterline. Now it's time for lashes. We're gonna start with the primer. Okay, so we're gonna go in with the 40 mascara. Totally forgot to highlight my brow bone. So I'm gonna go in with the color Elated and the liner shader brush. I'm just gonna go over that concealer. Right, super easy. So now I'm gonna finish up the face with bronzer. That was our beachfront bronzer in the color Malibu, and now I'm gonna go with blush in the color Sweet, using our blusher brush. And now for the lips, I'm gonna go in with our Precision liner in the color Prim, which is an eyeliner, but I'm gonna use it on my lips. I'm gonna use our lip powder today in the color Compatible, and this is an awesome product. They're like little water beads that are encapsulated in pigment, and once they hit your lips, it breaks apart and it becomes a cream. It's so cool. And to lighten it up a bit, I'm gonna use the color Lucid in our Lucrative lip gloss. And that is it. It's super easy. Oh, let me set. You know what I love about this, other than the smell, like I said in my last video, is that the mist is like super fine. Okay, so this is the look. It was super easy and super fast, especially with that tape method. Look how clean and crisp that line is. I just wanted to show you another brown smoky eye using palette 1, especially since it's on sale this month in the March Kudos, along with your choice of Precision liner, either the dip and draw eyeliner or a pencil liner. So the pencil that I used on my lips is on sale, and also the eyeliner that I used to make that cat eye, and also your choice of Epic or 4D mascara. So that is today's look. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you learned something, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that notification button, which will let you know whenever I post something new. And I will see you, no, I'm not see you on the next video, because I need to tell you that all the products I used on my face today, all the products and tools, will be listed via a link in the comments. And I will see you on the next video. Have a great day.